In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Lovable MCP server in ChatGPT. First, head over to Lovable and sign in to your account. Before you test anything inside ChatGPT, make sure your app is fully built and working the way you expect. This part matters because ChatGPT can only interact with the tools your app exposes, so it helps to confirm your workflows are already functioning properly. Once you've tested your application, publish the app and then enable agent integrations for that project. Lovable can automatically generate MCP tools for eligible published apps, which is what makes the connection possible. After that, open the agent integrations area and review the MCP tools that were generated. Take a moment here to check exactly what actions are being exposed. If there are tools you do not want available, remove them or adjust them before moving on. Also, confirm your authentication and permission settings. This is an important checkpoint because it ensures ChatGPT will only have access to the actions you actually intend to share. Next, locate your MCP server connection details. You'll want to find the server endpoint or connection URL, review the authentication requirements, which are typically handled through OAuth, and check for any extra connection instructions provided by Lovable. Keep these details ready because you'll need them in the next part. Now switch over to ChatGPT. If your workspace supports custom MCP servers, open the Settings or Connectors section and choose the option to add an MCP server or the equivalent setting in your workspace. Enter the MCP server details from Lovable, save the connection, and complete the OAuth authorization flow if prompted. Once that finishes successfully, ChatGPT should be able to discover the tools exposed by your Lovable app. With the connection in place, start a new chat and test basic tool discovery. Ask ChatGPT to perform an action your app supports, like showing available customer records, creating a support ticket, generating a monthly sales report, or submitting an expense request. The exact request depends on what your app is designed to do, but the goal is simple. Verify that ChatGPT can find and use the correct MCP tool automatically. After the request runs, verify the results carefully, confirm the action completed successfully in your Lovable app, check that any returned data is accurate, and make sure permissions are being enforced correctly. If a protected action should require authentication, confirm that it does. If something is not working, check a few common issues, make sure the app is published, confirm agent integrations are enabled, reconnect if authentication failed, verify the needed tool is actually included in the generated MCP tools, and check whether the